Access the front panel by gently opening it and carefully unclipping it from the casing. Detach all electrical connections from the unit by carefully unscrewing each wire. Disengage the Wi-Fi module by methodically unscrewing it from its designated housing. Detach the electrical block from its housing by systematically unscrewing it. Extract the circuit board from its housing with meticulous attention to detail. Begin by carefully removing the vent panels, followed by the systematic unscrewing of all casing screws. Detach the plastic panel by unclipping it meticulously, then proceed to fully remove the front panel. Begin by delicately detaching the yellow sensor wire, then proceed to replace it with a new sensor unit. Repeat steps backwards to assemble unit back together.